how to use Apple Intelligence outside the US. Apple has released the Apple Intelligence globally, excluding the EU and China, along with the first iOS 18.1 beta for all developers. So if you want to get early access, you need to install the iOS 18.1 beta first, and then join the Apple Intelligence beta waitlist. Its availability is restricted to the US, and if you're outside the US and willing to access Apple Intelligence, then you just need to fulfill a few requirements, such as having an iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, and make some changes in your phone settings. Here's a step-by-step guide to using Apple Intelligence outside the US. First, sign in with your Apple ID at developer.apple.com if you haven't before. Then make a fresh backup of your iPhone or iPad. Then launch the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on General, click on the Beta Updates button. Choose iOS 18.1 Developer Beta. If you need to change your Apple ID associated with the beta, you can tap at the bottom. Choose Back. When the iOS 18.1 Developer Beta option appears, choose Download and Install. Once the iOS 18.1 beta is installed on your device, now you can proceed further and follow these steps. First, open Language and Region Settings. For this, go to the Settings app, open the General submenu, and then scroll down to find Language and Region. Now switch to the US language and region. Now adjust both your language and region to the US by adding the Add Language and Region options. Adjust the day and time settings. Adjust the first day of the week and date format while you're in the Language and Region menu. Set Apple Intelligence and Siri to US English too. You have to make sure your Siri requests language is also set to US English, or else you won't be able to use Apple Intelligence. Join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. Tap the blue header on this page to request access to Apple Intelligence. After a while, you'll get access. Then you can tap the Turn on Apple Intelligence option to enable it.